Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Cooking with Me, and today we are going to be prepping some chicken. We're going to be watering the chicken for oven jerk. Come along with me on this journey, but don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Of course, comment down below what you like on your jerk chicken.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Whole, but I'm not going to be doing it whole. I'm going to cut this one up to oven jerk. So we'll seal this one to oven jerk. All right, now look at this. Gotta clean all of this up. Gonna wash it with some vinegar, and then I'm gonna season it. So getting some water in there, and then vinegar. Generous with the vinegar. Cut the rawness, and add some flavor as well. So let's go. I'm gonna wash this off, then drain it, and then we're gonna season. Stick around. All right, we are back now and we're doing the jerk chicken. So I already put on the green seasoning, put on a little browning. Now I'm putting on a little cinnamon. That's I used to try to make up for the pimento that I don't have. I'm gonna also put on a bit of pimento. Some pimento seeds I'm gonna crush and put in. Putting on some Walker's Wood Jerk seasoning. That's what I always use. Don't want to put too much. I don't want it to be too spicy. So I'm gonna put on a little oil. You're putting on a little pepper flakes. And I still always put on some powdered seasoning. All right, we're gonna go ahead to massage all of this in. The jerk seasoning all has salt, so if it really doesn't need it, I'll taste it to see if it needs any more, and then I'll add it. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Nice. Down below, what you like on your jerk chicken? How do you eat it? Do you eat it with ketchup? Do you eat it with pepper?